Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki.
And if you're wondering why we're in this awkward position, it's because we were here 5 years ago talking about this table right here, and that's what we're going to talk about today. We're going to give you a 5-year update video.
Now let's talk about the finish on this table and how it's held up. This is actually one of my favorite pieces of furniture that we've ever made. The finish on it is like butter smooth, and we did go through sanding it. A lot of sanding went into this, from 60 grit to 80 grit to all the way to 220. And that was actually when we did this originally, was a sponsored post from SandNet, and we saw that product at a convention and I absolutely loved it. Spoiler, still like it, and I buy it when they have special promotions. This table has been behind 3 different sofas here at Steph's house, and it's worked in all 3 of those, which is really kind of cool. So we actually got the measurements correct on that very first sofa. The only thing that has not held up, and it's really very minor, is I was looking at the base and there was a tiny bit of rust on it. So we're going to take care of that by cleaning it up and re-waxing it, and it'll be good to go. Originally, we cleaned the pipes with mineral spirits and we waxed them, and we did that in order to inhibit rust. And as you can see, it did a really good job doing that. There are only a few spots where there is rust, and I'm assuming that is probably where I might have missed waxing it the first time around. So again, I'm going to clean them up with a little bit of mineral spirits, let that dry, and then we have a lot of wax left over. Wax goes a long way, so we're using the same original wax. Gonna put that on right here. And now that it's dry, we're gonna buff it and it's gonna be ready to go, and we'll protect that finish from additional rust. And just a note of interest, this wax is in still really good condition because we keep it inside in the air conditioning like we do with all of our paints and spray paints and house paints and things like that. If we were to leave it in the garage, it would degrade pretty quickly in the heat that's here in Florida.
So overall, like I said, we've had this for 5 years and it's been perfect. It's both of our favorite pieces in my house. And again, this is Cedar that we got from a yard sale for $10. So
I bet.
yeah, so I've been super happy with it and really excited that it's worked with all of my sofas. So thanks for joining, and if you want to see that original video, we'll put a link to that. We actually just watched it ourselves 5 years later, and we were pretty impressed.
Yeah, it still holds up.
We're like, we did pretty good. We don't really watch our videos that often, but we're like, oh, this is pretty good.
Well,
so
especially the sanding part, because
yeah,
there really is a good explanation in it, and a really good explanation on how to use that sand net.
Exactly. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Bye.